So hello guys, today we are going to learn how the lambda expression will work. So I will create one Java class and I will name it lambda1 and I will include main method and I will give finish. So now I have one text file with list of words starting from A to Z. So I will copy this file and I will paste it in my project folder. So I will paste here and it will show here. Now I will read this file using file class file f1 is equal to new file and we have to import file, and inside this file class I will give my file name. My file name is words.txt. So words.txt, and I will use scanner class to scan the file. I have to import scanner, and inside the scanner I will give my file object f1. When we are reading the file we have to throw an exception, because if file is not there it will throw an exception. So throws exception. My text file has more than one line. In some cases we will not know the number of lines in the file, so we will use the while loop. While sc1 dot has next. This as next means it will execute until getting the empty line in the file. So I will create one list to store the list of words. So list in string type, and I will import list. I will call it list1 and new array list, and I will add the data into the list. So list1 dot add of c1 dot next line. So now I will print the list. Now I will check whether the data is added into the list or not. So system.out.println list1. So now I will run this code. So the data is added into a list. Now we will start using lambda expression with the help of stream method. Stream method is like a pipeline between the collections. This stream method will not store the data. It will collect the data from the list or some collection type and it will send it to the another list. So I will create one more list. I will call it list2. So here list2 is equal to list1 dot stream. So it will stream the list1. This stream method will perform certain operations like filtering, mapping, reducing, and there are so many methods. So I will use filter method. It will filter the data from the list1, and inside of filter we will use lambda expression. Basically lambda expression is used to create a simple expression. For example, expressions that do not include complex structures such as if else loops or for loop, something like that. Here I will start using lambda expression. In lambda expression we do not require to declare a variable. We state the way we can name the variable. I will name my variable as word. Always our left side should be a variable, and I will give my lambda operator like this. This is called lambda operator, and here I will give the expression word dot starts with means prefix word. I will give starts with the word which starts with a. So and I will use collect method here. This collect method is used to perform a mutable reduction operation on the elements of a stream. So inside the collect I will use collector class collectors dot to list. This collectors dot to list will collect the elements into the list. So now I will print the list to check data is filtered or not. So system dot out dot println I will print list 2. Now I will run the code. Yeah, data is filtered. The word starting with a is filtered, and I will change word starting with m, and let's check whether it is working or not. Yeah, the word started with m is filtered. So this is the example program using lambda expression. Thank you.